Say hi. Yo.
That is my vlog. That's my statement. Barsha went to pee. I'm here with.
We are here to eat until Gangtok.
Yeah.
We don't get anything, so we are on the brunch.
Yes, and here we have Shalini sniffing something that I don't know.
Meth.
She cannot afford meth. Please don't believe her. And then we have Judith. What kind of titoda do you want? Lasun titoda. Del, what do you want to eat?
I don't want to eat anything.
Please, you have to have something. This is your only stop. It is recording. It is like 44 seconds right now. Now, do you want to say anything good about me? Nothing. I think Del wants momo.
I want that. Look at this. You should take a thing of these. These are the local things you get here. What are they?
I don't know.
Very famous lobchu.
Yeah. What is this?
The good thing is,
Spicy.
Spicy. Light is spicy.
yes,
I like this. I want this.
take it. But you cannot have it. Keep it there.
Why?
Miss Khandro, what do you have to say?
Where's Barsha?
Miss Khandro. Okay, I'm done vlogging. How do I stop it?
Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, and my tummy.
It's yummy, guys. You need to eat.
You eat?
Veg momos especially. It's
No
so
chicken,
good.
and this chutney is the thing. It's the best. We are almost there. More 35 kilometers. Started drizzling, so our driver is putting the cover in it. Very excited to reach. Gangtok is on. No, Gangtok is on. Don't fall. Yay! So we have reached Gangtok now. It seems the cabs, the outside cab doesn't go further from the stand. So we're gonna take another cab to go till our hotel. It's not a hotel, a hostel. Which is like a hostel. So. Oh my god, so cute! It's so cute! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Started our journey morning around 8 from Kurseong. Then our friend booked the cab from there till Bangla, and then till Bangla there's another friend who joined us also, who booked the sumo. It was quite the fun. We sang, we danced in the car even though it was congested, but it was a good journey. We stopped by in a place for some lunch to have some snacks. On the way we saw the Tista River. Roads were very smooth, somewhere really bumpy, but whatever it was, had a good journey. Saw some monkeys too. And here I am today in Gangtok. So we are staying in a Zostel, and it's really good actually and quite cheap. This is my first time staying in a Zostel, and this is really cute. Tomorrow we were planning to go to North Sikkim, but let's see, the weather is quite not that good, so we might stay back, hoping for some good luck. If it's clear, we'll be going, but if not, you'll find out. So today's day 3 and I'm quite enjoying a lot. We might do some shopping. I'll show you the clips, so yeah, stay tuned. So this is the hall where we are staying. There are so many things written over here, and you can write messages. There's Wi-Fi, drinking water, hot water. You can play carom. This is one room. There's another room. My friend just took bath. And look at the view, guys. It's amazing and it's so foggy. It's kind of drizzling today, which is why we are not sure if tomorrow the weather would be good. Hoping for the weather to be good because I really want to go to North Sikkim. We are going to be here for the next 7 days. I don't know how many days I'll be vlogging, but I'll make sure I take you guys along with me. So we are here at Mg Marg for some shopping with Zostel here.
Hi! So basically Barsha wants to shop. So we're looking for shops with, I don't know what. What do you want?
I don't know.
Okay, whatever. We're gonna show you
Sweaters.
after we reach the shop.
And Korean food.
Yes, and Korean food.
We have been craving for it since a long time, so we're gonna have
go
it
there.
today, and we are
And we have to climb 7
7
floors
yes,
to reach to that place wherever we're gonna eat.
Yeah.
Now, Karan?
That's Karan. Looks like a Zomato guy today, and just kidding. We're just teasing him. And lovely weather, but it's raining, which is not so great. And sadly, we are not going to North Sikkim tomorrow.
Yes, because of the weather. It's
But-
blocked apparently.
Yeah, but hopefully there's a chance of going day after.
But anyway, we're enjoying.
Yeah.
We're walking in the streets now with this weather.
This is Lal Bazaar. We are in Lal Bazaar right now.
Okay.